In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use the auto tracking feature on Angekis PTZ cameras. This works with all auto tracking models, including the Sabre AT, Sabre 4K Plus, and Sabre X. To get started, locate the IP address on the bottom of your camera. Enter the IP address into your browser, and you'll be taken to the camera control interface. From there, click on Settings in the top right corner. Then, head over to Tracking Setting to access the auto tracking setup. It's that simple. In this segment, we'll dive into the auto tracking dictionary. The Enable option allows you to easily turn the auto tracking feature on or off. With target position, you can choose where to keep the tracked subject within the frame, whether it's on the left, right, or centered. The Target Scale setting lets you adjust the zoom level, enabling you to track your subject at various scales, including full body tracking at maximum range. The Initial Position Set feature is used to define the home position for your camera. The Pan Tilt limit allows you to set a locked tracking area by selecting the range. Simply move the camera to your desired positions and click Set Left Up and Set Right Down to define the boundaries. Once the range is selected, enable the Pan Tilt Limit option to activate the locked tracking area. When the target moves out of the camera's range, the camera will automatically return to the home position by default. The Target Lost Time Out setting lets you choose how long the camera should wait after losing the target before returning to the home position. The board position setting is used to define the whiteboard area. Once the board position is set, the camera will lock onto the whiteboard within this range, preventing the frame from shifting when someone moves in front of the whiteboard, blackboard, or screen. When the target steps out of this range, the camera automatically switches back to tracking mode. You can use the small arrow on the right to move the camera view to the predefined whiteboard area, similar to calling a preset position. Up to 2 board position areas can be configured. Lock Scaling Ratio refers to the automatic locking of the zoom during tracking, preventing the camera from adjusting the zoom due to the target's frequent movement. In this video, we can clearly see the difference before and after it's enabled. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.